Love the carrot smoothie that helped me lose 6 pounds? Now let's get glowing. Here are 5 detox smoothies for skin so bright. You'll need sunglasses. Hey again. After that weight loss journey, I noticed something. My skin was finally clearing up. Turns out, detoxing isn't just for your body, it's for your skin too. Today, 5 smoothies to flush toxins and get that lit from within glow. Let's dive in. Ever woken up to a breakout or skin that looks blah? It's not just stress, it's your body screaming, "Detox me." Pollution, processed foods, even stress clog pores and zap radiance. But the fix? Smoothies packed with skin-loving nutrients. First up, green glow. This is liquid sunshine for your skin. Spinach. Iron plus folate equals oxygenate skin cells. Kiwi. Vitamin C. More than oranges. Fights free radicals. Pineapple. Bromelain enzyme gently exfoliates from the inside. Blend 1 cup spinach, 1 kiwi, 1/2 cup pineapple, 1/2 cup coconut water. So fresh, you'll taste the glow. Next, berry bliss antioxidant overload. Blueberries. Nature's candy equals 1000x more antioxidants than other fruits. Strawberries. Vitamin C brightens dark spots. Greek yogurt. Probiotics balance gut and skin microbiome. Bye-bye breakouts. Blend 1/2 cup blueberries, 1/2 cup strawberries, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup almond milk. Creamy, sweet, and good for you. Tropical vibes, serious detox power. Tropical detox. Mango, beta-carotene equals pre-vitamin A for skin repair. Coconut water, electrolytes hydrate without sugar. Turmeric, anti-inflammatory, calms red, angry skin. Blend 1/2 cup mango, 1 cup coconut water, 1/2 TSP turmeric, ice. Tastes like a beach vacation for your skin. Need a zesty pick-me-up? Citrus boost. Orange, vitamin C equals collagen production. Hello, firm skin. Carrot, beta, carotene equals natural sun protection. Yes, really. Ginger, circulation booster, delivers nutrients to your skin faster. Blend 1 orange, peeled, 1/2 carrot, 1/2 inch ginger, 1/2 cup water. Tart, sweet, and awake skin coming up. Last but not least, chocolate avocado. Yes, chocolate can be good for skin. Avocado, healthy fats equals locks and moisture, no more dry patches. Cacao powder, flavonoids reduce inflammation. Bye-bye puffiness. Almond milk, vitamin E equals protects skin from damage. Blend 1/2 avocado, 1 tablespoon cacao powder, 1 cup almond milk, 1 teaspoon honey. Decadent, creamy, and self-care in a glass. I drank these 5 smoothies for 2 weeks, rotating them daily. My skin went from meh to, did you get a facial? The best part? No expensive creams, just real whole foods. So whether you want to fight breakouts, boost radiance, or just feel fresh, these smoothies have your back. Pick your favorite, blend, and sip your way to glow. If you love this, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. Comment below, which smoothie are you most excited to try? And don't forget to watch my last video, linked below, if you missed the carrot smoothie that started it all. Let's get glowing inside and out.